What if the most creator-friendly pocket camera DJI has ever made just got fully unboxed before its official launch? Because that's exactly what happened, and the details inside that leak are genuinely worth talking about. In this video, we're covering the new physical buttons, a magnetic accessory system that could change how you kit out this camera, a massive internal storage upgrade, 14 stops of dynamic range, and a mic situation that nobody saw coming. Stick around, because that last one might actually be the biggest news of all. So let's start with what's physically changed on the outside. The Pocket 4 is adding two dedicated buttons to the body, and both of them matter more than they might sound. The first is a zoom button, giving you smooth and precise zoom control without hunting around on a tiny touchscreen slider mid-shoot. Trust me on this one. Anyone who's tried to nail a zoom pole while running or cycling knows how frustrating that can get. The second is a customizable C button, where C stands for custom. You can assign it to gimbal mode switching, pro video settings, audio options, or whatever quick function fits your workflow best. For creators who shoot fast and need to change settings without stopping, these two buttons alone could make the Pocket 4 feel like a completely different camera to use. Here's where it gets really interesting. The back of the gimbal head now features a built-in magnetic attachment system. Right now it's being used for a modular fill light, but the design clearly points toward a bigger accessory ecosystem. Think compact shotgun mics, extra lighting modules, and other snap-on tools built specifically for this camera. DJI seems to be building a modular lane here, and if they follow through, this could become one of the most versatile pocket cameras on the market. And then there's the audio situation. Leaks suggest the DJI Mic 3 may be included directly in the standard retail box, not locked behind a separate creator combo package. If that's accurate, DJI might be moving toward a single premium version that comes fully loaded out of the box. For creators who've watched the Pocket 3 creator combo sell out repeatedly, that's a genuinely smart move. On the inside, the upgrades are just as solid. The Pocket 4 is rumored to come with 107 gigabytes of internal storage. For a camera this small, that's a lot of runway before you even think about a memory card. Pair that with a rumored 14 stops of dynamic range, and you're looking at a pocket camera that can finally handle sunsets, backlit scenes in high-contrast environments without blowing out highlights or losing shadow detail. You know what's funny? That kind of dynamic range used to be a selling point for cameras 3 times this size. DJI is also redesigning the protective case to be smaller and more compact, which sounds great for portability as long as it actually stays on this time. Pocket 3 owners will know exactly what that means. So when does all of this arrive? A China launch on April 16th is now the leading rumor, with global availability expected in late April. As for pricing, a supplier in Guangzhou reportedly listed pre-sales at around €420, roughly $455, but that appears to be a bulk order price, so official retail could land differently. Which raises a fair question: what price actually makes sense here? Does $449 feel right, given everything included, or does DJI need to stay under $400 to stay competitive? So here's the real question. Has DJI done enough with the Pocket 4, or were you hoping for something bolder over the Pocket 3? The physical controls, the magnetic system, the storage, the dynamic range, and potentially a mic in the box, that's a pretty strong package for creators who shoot on the go. But whether it's a must upgrade or just a nice refresh really depends on what you need. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next one.